the world is witnessing an unprecedented refugee crisis, with millions displaced, yearning for safety and a new life. These individuals, forced to flee their homes due to conflict, persecution, or natural disasters, face overwhelming challenges in their quest for security and stability. The statistics are staggering, painting a picture of a global issue that demands urgent attention and action. In this landscape of struggle, volunteers emerge as beacons of hope and resilience. Their unwavering commitment to humanitarian aid provides essential support to those most in need. As we delve into this documentary, we will explore the profound impact volunteers have on the lives of refugees and the communities they serve. Their stories of compassion and dedication are a testament to the power of human kindness in the face of adversity. Meet John, a dedicated teacher from New York. Each summer, John trades his classroom for the bustling energy of refugee camps. His journey into volunteering began with a simple desire to help, sparked by stories of resilience he read in the news. John believes in the power of education and the hope it can bring to those who have lost so much. John's story is not just about giving, it's about learning. He shares how each interaction with refugees enriches his life. Every child I teach, he says, is a reminder of why I started this journey. They teach me about courage and the human spirit. But volunteering is not without its challenges. John talks about the emotional toll it takes, witnessing the hardships faced by those he aims to help. Yet he finds strength in the small victories. A child mastering a new word, a family finding hope in their new environment. John's motivation is fueled by the belief that every act of kindness counts. He recalls moments of doubt, but the gratitude and smiles of the children remind him of the impact he's making. His story is a testament to the power of one person's commitment to change the world, one life at a time. Through John's eyes, we see the profound effect a single volunteer can have, encouraging us to reflect on how we too can contribute to a cause greater than ourselves. In the heart of humanitarian efforts, volunteers stand as unsung heroes, transforming lives with their selfless dedication. Picture this: a group of volunteers arriving at a refugee camp where hope seems distant and challenges loom large. Yet, with every shelter they build, a beacon of hope is erected, offering a safe haven for families who have lost everything. Their hands, guided by compassion, construct not just physical structures, but the foundation for new beginnings. Education, often a forgotten luxury in crisis situations, becomes a reality through these volunteers' tireless efforts. They set up makeshift classrooms where displaced children find a semblance of normalcy and the chance to learn and grow. These volunteers are not just teachers, they are mentors, instilling confidence and nurturing dreams that might have otherwise been extinguished. The impact of their work ripples through refugee communities, fostering resilience and sparking inspiration. Volunteers collaborate with local organizations, bridging gaps and amplifying their reach. Consider the story of a volunteer-led project that introduced agricultural training to a refugee settlement. By teaching sustainable farming techniques, volunteers empowered refugees to cultivate their own food, providing sustenance and a sense of autonomy and purpose. These stories of impact are not isolated incidents. They are part of a larger narrative of transformation. Each project, each act of kindness, contributes to a tapestry of hope and change. Volunteers, with their unwavering spirit, illuminate the path forward, proving that when we come together to support those in need, we can create a future filled with promise and possibility. In the heart of every community lies the potential to transform lives. As volunteers extend their hands, communities rise to the occasion, weaving a tapestry of support and hope for refugees. It's a powerful reminder that when people unite with a shared purpose, they can achieve extraordinary outcomes. Across neighborhoods, stories unfold of refugees who, once isolated, now find solace and opportunity through the efforts of dedicated volunteers. These stories echo the profound impact of community involvement as local residents open their homes, schools, and hearts to those in need. The ripple effect of these actions is undeniable. As volunteers empower refugees, the entire community flourishes, creating an environment where everyone thrives. This synergy uplifts those directly involved and inspires others to join the cause, magnifying the impact. Witness how the power of community transforms lives, fostering resilience and hope for a brighter future. It's a testament to the idea that together, we can create lasting change. By supporting volunteers in their mission, communities are not just helping refugees, they are building a foundation of compassion and unity that transcends borders and cultures. Together, they light the way toward a more inclusive and supportive world. As we conclude this journey, remember, each of us holds the power to make a difference. Volunteering is more than just an act of kindness. It's a commitment to humanity. Whether it's offering time, skills, or resources, every effort counts. Consider joining local groups or international organizations dedicated to supporting refugees. By standing together, we can create a ripple effect of change, touching lives and building a world where everyone has a chance to thrive. Your involvement can light the path for others. Join the movement today and be part of a global community that champions hope and resilience.